Hey everybody, it's Neon. I have this is a hot glue gun. If you haven't used a hot glue gun before, why? They're super easy and cool. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. I did plug it in. It has an on-off switch right there, and I stuck one of the glue sticks in there. It came with a whole bunch of glue sticks as well. And it's super easy. The glue stick just fits in the back. It comes with a little stand so you can hold it up there as well, which is good. It comes with a wire that is, so you can lay along. I just have it, it's still twist tied. You can see right there. But really all you do, and it seems like it's a good no leak one too, is you squeeze and the glue comes out. Look at that. So I can make a ball of glue right there on my box and it doesn't continue to leak, which is nice. And then I can put the stand down, lay it down somewhere. And while it's still hot, I don't know if it still is or not, I can stick something onto it. Yep, it is. Let's see, look at that. It will stick. It's still hot, so it hasn't dried yet. But when it cools down, it will make a nice solid bond. So if you haven't used hot glue guns before and you want to give it a try or anything, this one here seems like a great one. It works great, easy, super fun, and nice size. I know some of those ones, if you've used some of the other ones, there's tiny and stuff. This one here's a good size. So very nice. I like it a lot. Thumbs up.